देखो चारों ओर से पवन सुत पंछी है आए, बादलों के काफिलों के संग संग लहराते आए। सबकी भाषा है अलग पर लक्ष्य देखो एक ही, चोंच पंख दो नैन दिखे परिवार जैसे एक ही। वसुधैव कुटुम्बकम् 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 वसुधैव कुटुम्बकम्।
A very good morning to our esteemed chief guest, His Excellency Shri Raghubar Das, Honorable Governor of Orissa. We are deeply honored and grateful to welcome you to Sai International School. We also warmly greet Dr. Silpi Sahu, Chairperson, Sri Nilakanta Panigrahi, Director of Academics and Senior Principal, esteemed principals and headmaster, cherished guests, respected parents and delegates from both overseas and India. It is with great pride that we welcome you all to the 12th Sai Model United Nations Conference of 2024.
It gives me great pride to be standing here as the Secretary General of the 12th edition of Sai MUN, acknowledged as one of Eastern India's largest school-level MUNs, initiated in the year 2013 and inaugurated by the then Honorable Chief Minister of Odisha, Shri Naveen Patnaik. SciMUN is a brilliant platform to seek solutions to the various problems of the world through discussion, negotiation, and debates by young minds. Since inception, the United Nations Information Center for India and Bhutan, under the aegis of the UN, has accredited the event, and it finds a place in their website. The United Nations was created for uniting efforts to unravel the travesties of this world and find what lies beneath, and in some way bring about a change for a better society. Aligning with the thought is the theme of SciMUN, that is Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, one world, one family.
I now request the Secretary General to kindly introduce the country delegates.
Introducing the delegate of Syria. Introducing the delegate of Libya. Introducing the delegate of Nepal. Introducing the delegate of Sri Lanka. Introducing the delegate of South Sudan. Introducing the delegate of UAE. Introducing the delegate of Malawi. Introducing the delegate of Qatar. Introducing the delegate of Zimbabwe. Introducing the delegate of Thailand. Introducing the delegate of Uganda. Introducing the delegate of Bangladesh. Introducing the delegate of India.
I am delighted to share that this year's Model United Nations Conference is attended by 720 delegates from 17 countries, including Uganda, Libya, Kenya, Malawi, Ethiopia, Syria, Nepal, Ivory Coast, Sudan, UAE, Qatar, Zimbabwe, Sri Lanka, Thailand, Mozambique, and India. We have 21 participating schools from across the globe, and special mention to Government of Odisha's iconic Odisha Adarsh Vidyalaya schools and Sri Harsha Memorial School of Deaf and Dumb, 10 significant committees along with the international press. This Model United Nations Conference becomes significant with your gracious presence, sir. All of us present here are extremely happy and grateful because of your august presence. Let us all salute Honorable Governor with our Founder Chairman Sir's clap of happiness. Thank you. As always, we will continue to strive to build a better India through education. Thank you and namaskar.
आज साइमन मॉडल यूनाइटेड नेशन के 12वें संस्करण के उद्घाटन के अवसर पर आप सभी युवाओं के बीच उपस्थित होकर अत्यधिक प्रसन्नता हो रही है। यह मेरी खुशकिस्मती है जिसमें दुनिया भर से 1000 से अधिक प्रतिनिधियों को संबोधित करने का मौका मिला। तो आज के इस अवसर पर जिस व्यक्तित्व की सोच स्वर्गीय विजय साहू, जिनकी सोच के कारण आज ये कार्यक्रम पूरे दुनिया भर के स्टूडेंट यहाँ उपस्थित हुए हैं, क्योंकि किसी भी नेशन, सोसाइटी या कंट्री को आगे बढ़ना तो वहाँ के लोगों की सोच पर डिपेंड करता है। तो मैं आज ऐसे शिक्षाविद डॉक्टर विजय साहू को श्रद्धा सुमन अर्पित करता हूँ, जिनकी सोच के कारण ईस्टर्न इंडिया में इस तरह का यूनाइटेड जनरल असेंबली का कार्यक्रम आयोजित हुई है। यह खुशी की बात है कि साइमन सम्मेलन जो अब अपने 12वें वर्ष में है, प्रतिनिधियों के लिए एक उत्कृष्ट और समृद्ध सम्मेलन के रूप में विकसित हुई है। मैं साई एडिसन ग्रुप के इस सम्मेलन को नियमित और सफलतापूर्वक आयोजित करने के लिए बधाई देता हूँ। मैं साई मॉडल यूनाइटेड नेशन 2024 के शुभारंभ की घोषणा करता हूँ।
Respected Chief Guest, His Excellency Sri Raghubar Das, Honorable Governor of Odisha, Chairperson Ma'am Dr. Silpi Sahu, fellow delegates, mentors and my dear Pioneers. I wish this Sai Model United Nation Conference 2024 a resounding success. Thank you all.
Particularly the first thoughts remain as to it was a great opening ceremony. Personally, I've been to n number of MUN conferences, and as it was one of the best MUN inaugural ceremony I've been to. Secondly, the vibe, the aura, and the overall ambience was great, and I enjoyed it thoroughly. The special treatment that we got as an international delegate really makes us feel like we are at home, away from home.
I'm from Sri Lanka, so I participated for this as a delegate student, and it was very awesome. Like, this is the first time I attended the MUN, so I think the experience is too much excited.
All the performance, dance, music, everything was like just giving goosebumps. Everything was so perfect.
The conference was quite nice. I really enjoyed the hospitality, and yeah, it's a very good place to be. I would advise anyone to attend one of these conferences. Thank you.
It was quite a beautiful experience. Hospitality, like you said, it was beautiful. We were welcomed nicely, and we got to meet different people. So it was good talking to each other and just experiencing what we have from different countries. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm very happy because I've presented my country to this big conference, and I've met people from different countries to share the common interest. Thank you. Yeah, actually, I feel good because as you know, a person who is attending the site Model United Nations for the first time. So this is the first time, and I really feel very well. So everything is okay, and I hope the next year, whatever, so I'm going to attend again. So it's actually very nice. I feel okay.
I'm from Thailand, and the opening ceremony was nice. It was very extravagant. I enjoyed it.
I'm from the state of Qatar, and it was a privilege to attend this MUN. I'm from Nepal. Though we wait long, but it became so fruitful for us. Thank you.
Hi, I am from Abu Dhabi, UAE, and it was really exciting to come here. This was my first MUN conference at all. So I was really excited to see the governor of Orissa and all the delegates. So it was great.
I take immense pride in being the 12th Secretary General of Sai Model United Conference, and we just had the Honorable Governor of Odisha, His Excellency Shri Raghubar Das, inaugurate our event. And I hope this event is a great success because everybody can't win, but I hope all the delegates and all the international guests take back something, a few learnings, and get to know a lot more about global literacy. And I hope everything is sorted at the end and everything is good. Thank you so much.
Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam.